Hello, these are the materials I used for this project. For more details, please check out the description box down below. First, make a slip knot. After the slip knot, chain 71. Now skip one chain, then make one single crochet in the next 70 chains. In row 2, chain 1, then turn the work over. Next, make one single crochet in each of the next 70 back loop only. Insert your hook into the back loop and complete the single crochet. Now repeat the same process all the way to the end of the row. In row 3, chain 1 and turn the work over. Next, make one single crochet in the next 70 back loops only. Now we will repeat the same pattern for row 4 to row 32. Chain 1, turn the work over and make one single crochet in the back loop only across all 70 stitches. After finish row 32, cut and secure the yarn end. For the back strap, make a slip knot. After After that, chain 141. Now skip one chain, make one single crochet in each of the next 140 chains. In row 2, chain 1, then turn the work over. Now make one single crochet in the next 140 stitches back loop only. For row 3 to row 6, we are going to repeat the same pattern. Chain 1, turn the work over and make one single crochet in the back loop only across all 140 stitches. After done, cut and secure the yarn end. Now we will attach the strap to the back panels. You may refer to the image here for your reference. First, make a slip knot. Now align the strap with the back. And combine by slip stitching through both layers. Cut and secure the yarn end. Next, repeat the same process on the other side of the bag. Flip the piece like this and continue slip stitching along the top edge to secure the bag shape. After done, turn the bag inside out. Once you're done, you can add a button to the bag for nice finishing touch. For this bag, I use this metal snap button that I get from Shopee. Now we are finally done, and this is how the bag looks. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day ahead, and I will see you again in the next video. Bye!